Hello, folks. Welcome back to the weekly analysis. I hope all of you had a great trading week. Very interesting setups for the coming week. So first, let me look at the Nifty 50 chart. So we've made lower lows here, but the interesting point to note here is that if you look at the distance between the lowest low made earlier, between this, which was at around 17,800, and this was at 17,350, right? So there's a difference of close to 440 points here, right? And now the new pivot low, which is in the making, almost there actually. The difference is very it's on the lower side. So this is 17,350, and this is 17,250. So only a 100-point difference, right? So whenever this kind of a price action happens, where the difference between the lower lows decreases, right, it means that the downtrend is kind of exhausting itself, and we might see a reversal, right? So that's an interesting thing on the Nifty 50 chart. Now let me come to the Bank Nifty chart where I have actually placed a trade. So again here the lower low was made and it was checked kind of. Although in Nifty we went below by 100 points, but in Bank Nifty we were not able to do that. So clearly the strength on the Nifty Bank Index is better than the Nifty Index, right? And yeah, so the trade here is on the long side very clearly. Even if you look at the hourly chart, so this was the day where we saw rejections, right? This earlier it came around 39,500, and again on the budget day it made a low of 39,501. So, and this was the third time on the hourly chart that we got a reversal from here. So the trade on the hourly is also on the long side. If you go to the 15-minute again, clearly higher highs are visible, continuously making higher highs. So here also the trade is on the long side. So I mean, we are also positioned like that. I took a debit spread last week, which is being carried. So let's see how that works out. One leg of the debit spread is in the money, and the second leg is as of now out of the money. Right. So let's see what happens this week. The very minimum or the closest target is going to be the high of the budget day candle, which is around 42,000. So we got a rejection from here the previous time. So if we hit this level, this will be the third time we'll be checking this, and we'll have to monitor price action there to see how it works out. If 42,000 is broken, then the next obvious resistance comes out at around 43,000, right? So that is how we are positioned on Bank Nifty. That's it. Nothing more as such to talk about. Uh, I think the kind of feedback that I've gotten is pretty good on the weekly analysis videos and also on the education videos that I've been doing on the option side, the basics of options. So thank you guys for the feedback. Keep the feedback coming. Keep liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, and I'll keep coming back with the content. So have a great weekend. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you.